Do wheel spacers weaken the handling on GMC? Many people want to know if installing wheel spacers will negatively impact the GMC incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitted, high-quality wheel spacers on GMC will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That's why GMC wheel spacers don't cause issues. As long as the wheel spacers match your GMC bolt pattern and hub bolt, it will be positioned the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacer manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel's balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheel and chassis. Hub-Centric quality GMC wheel spacer can maintain properly balanced. Installed Hub-Centric GMC wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, Hub-Centric GMC wheel spacers are designed with a hub-century in the center that fit perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. This wheel spacer allows the wheel to support the GMC weight better and fill the gap for tight fit, providing a minimum chance of wheel vibration. BONOSS GMC wheel spacer has a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration compared with common. The multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS GMC wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Besides, the BONOSS active cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed with heated dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of activating the piping for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which can manually enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Overall, high-quality GMC wheel spacers properly installed have little effect on ride quality for most daily driving. As always, quality GMC wheel spacers will enhance ride quality.